Have you ever wondered how you can make your garden more eco-friendly? What if I told you that there's a natural, sustainable method that not only enhances your garden's productivity, but also its overall health? Welcome to the fascinating world of companion planting. Companion planting is a time-honored gardening method that involves growing different plants together for mutual benefit. It's a bit like arranging a dinner party. You want to invite guests who'll get along well, who'll complement each other's strengths, and perhaps even bring out the best in one another. So, how does companion planting work? To put it simply, certain plants, when grown together, can improve each other's growth and health. This could be due to a variety of reasons, such as providing shade, improving soil nutrition, or even deterring pests. A classic example of companion planting is the Three Sisters method used by Native American tribes. This involves growing corn, beans, and squash together in the same mound. The corn provides a natural pull for the beans to climb, the beans fix nitrogen in the soil to benefit all three plants, and the squash spreads along the ground, blocking the sunlight to prevent weeds. Another popular companion planting combination is tomatoes and basil. Not only are they perfect partners in a salad, but they also work well together in the garden. Basil can help to deter pests that are attracted to tomatoes, and some gardeners believe it even improves the flavor of the tomatoes. Now let's talk about marigolds. These vibrant flowers are not just pretty to look at. When planted in your vegetable garden, marigolds can deter a variety of pests. They are especially good companions for tomatoes, cucumbers, and roses. So you see, companion planting is like creating a harmonious community of plants that help each other grow and thrive. It's a sustainable, eco-friendly gardening practice that reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. To summarize, companion planting is a method of growing different plants together for mutual benefit. It's a simple, natural way to enhance your garden's productivity and health. Examples of successful companion plant combinations include the Three Sisters, corn, beans, and squash, and tomatoes with basil or marigolds. By adopting companion planting, you're not just creating a greener garden, but you're also contributing to a healthier planet. So the next time you plan your garden, why not consider who your plant's companions will be? Remember, a good companion can make a world of difference, and this holds true even in the garden. So, step into the world of companion planting and unlock the full potential of your garden in the most sustainable way.